Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Seva Gurukulam free online classes. Now we are in the world of geometry. What is geometry? Yes, anybody? The word geometry is a branch of mathematics. Okay, here in Greek, the word geo means earth. Metry means coming from the word metron, measurement of earth. That is how the word geometry came. And today onwards we will see practical geometry. You heard in other classes about theoretical geometry. Now we are studying practical geometry. So what we have seen already, we are seen different kinds of shapes. Can you name some of them? Yes, you have triangles are there. Then different shapes will be triangles. How many sides will a triangle have? 3 sides, 3 angles, correct? 3 vertices. Also we have seen what are called as circles. A circle will have a center. What is circle? It is a path traced by a moving point from a fixed point as a fixed distance. And the fixed distance is called radius. And the fixed point is called center. So this is a radius, this is called center, and this is a path. So that is a circle we have seen, and there are different kinds of triangles you have already studied in the previous classes, and we have heard about quadrilaterals, correct? Polygons, what else? So many things like that, is it not? And also we know how to make pictures, how to draw pictures, just like this is a rough figure I am drawing, so of different shapes. That also you have studied in the previous classes. And one interesting thing is you should know about the different parts of a geometry box, also called as instrument box. All of you have seen this? You got it? Yes, from today onwards, for about 6 days, you have to bring the geometry box, also called as instrument box. Of course, there are varieties of instrument boxes. You may having a modern one also. This is how you get it inside. And what do you find inside? Do you get chocolates, biscuits? What do you get? You will have a beautiful scale. The scale will be of 15 centimeter length or 6 inches, is it not? And also you have a very important device or part called as compass. So what does the compass do? It is to draw the arcs. Keep like this and draw the arcs. It will have a small pencil which should be very sharp, correct? And also you have got one same type, what is called divider. You have seen it? Why it is used? It measures the length of the line, correct? And also you have got some 2 very interesting, they are called set squares. Why they are used? They are used to draw parallel lines which are going to study later. So they are also right angle triangle, and this can be used for drawing parallel lines. And most important is the what is called as protractor. Check in your boxes. Okay, here you see from 0 to 180 one side and 0 to 180 on the other side. So there is measurements of angles are shown, correct? And of course, these are a very simple thing which will be usually there. There should be one long pencil. Why the difference between long pencil and small pencil? Both are pencils, but this is used for drawing lines, okay, using scale. And this is very famous one. This is for sharpening of pencil, called sharpener. And this is eraser. Suppose any mistake happens, you can erase it. So these are the parts of the instrument box or geometry box. Of course, some of your boxes may be of different shapes and all, but these are the important parts of that. And also we have studied about construction of triangles. For construction of triangles, how many? So every triangle will have 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices, correct? So 3 measurements are needed, maybe 3 sides or 2 sides 1 angle or 2 angles 1 side, correct? So 3 sides must be given, and that is how we can draw the triangles that you already studied in the previous class. Also you heard about quadrilaterals. Can I name some of them? Yes, simplest quadrilateral is square, where all the 4 sides are equal, 4 angles are equal, and 2 diagonals are also equal. And another one is rectangle. Opposite sides are equal, all the angles are equal to 90 degrees, the 2 diagonals are equal. And another special type of rectangle is parallelogram. Here opposite angles are equal but not 90 degrees, and opposite sides are equal. So you have parallelogram, and there is one special type of quadrilateral called trapezium, where only one pair of sides are parallel. So these are, and also one famous one, rhombus. Here all the sides are equal, 2 diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Can you see this? Okay. And also one special type that is called kite. The adjacent sides are equal, 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal, the diagonals bisect at right angles. So these are the different kinds of quadrilaterals we have already heard about, and also we know some properties of it. Okay, with this we will pass on to today's topic. So today's topic is very interesting. All of you can do it, and marks is guaranteed. Of course, our challenge is how to draw in the board. Okay, we have got a digital board, but in your case it is very easy and simple. So shall we start now? Come on, put a gear. Okay, so we know that every quadrilateral have 10 parts, and what are the 10 parts? 4 sides, 4 angles, 2 diagonals, correct? So out of 10 parts, how many parts to be given? To construct a quadrilateral, we shall need data about 5 specified parts of it. So out of the 10 parts, you have to be given 5 parts, otherwise we can't draw the quadrilateral. So we divide, how to draw it? First we divide this quadrilateral into 2 triangles, correct? So we divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles which can be easily constructed. These 2 triangles together will form a quadrilateral. Suppose you have a quadrilateral like this. By the way, what do you mean by quadrilateral? It is a plane figure having 4 sides, 4 angles, and then 4 vertices. These points are called vertices. A, B, C, D. And angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, they are called 4 angles. And also you have 2 diagonals. So I am drawing a rough figure here. So these are called diagonals. So here what do you see? In a given quadrilateral you have 2 triangles. One is say ABC, another is ADC. So by drawing triangles you can complete it as a quadrilateral. Okay. So this is a basic thing you are supposed to know. Now for example, this is a quadrilateral. Of course, it is a parallelogram, special type of quadrilateral. Here, come on, name the sides. Sides are AB, CD, AD and BC. These are the sides, 4 sides. And there will be 2 diagonals. What are the name of the diagonals? AC and BD. Correct? And 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Now suppose you twist it little, what will happen? It becomes a rectangle. A quadrilateral will have 4 sides, 2 diagonals, 4 angles. So when you draw a quadrilateral, suppose the length is 10 centimeter and this is a rectangle, and this is another special type of quadrilateral called parallelogram, and suppose the breadth is say 8 centimeters. In case of rectangle, all angles are 90 degrees, correct? So this rectangle, of course you can take 4 sticks, 2 sticks of 10 centimeter length and 2 other sticks of 8 centimeter length. Just arrange it such that it forms a rectangle, and you can nail it also here on the 4 places. Same thing if you just tilt it on the other side, so it becomes a parallelogram here. So here it is 8, this is 10, this is 8. So what is the difference between these two? Here all angles are equal to 90 degrees. Here only opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So how we got that shape from this? We twisted it. Suppose you twist in this side, you get another parallelogram, correct? So there is no definiteness in this case. So to construct a quadrilateral, only these 4 sides are not sufficient. At least 5 things are required. Shall we see what are the things? Okay, or what are the parts? To construct a quadrilateral, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, for example, construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 centimeters, QR is equal to 6 centimeters, PS is equal to 5.5 centimeters, RS is equal to 5 centimeters, and diagonal PR is equal to 7 centimeters. Taken down? Okay. Now let us draw a rough figure. So to draw a line, what do you want? You want a scale and pencil. So mark a line of length 7 centimeters called PR, the diagonal, and side PQ. What is the length of PQ? 4 centimeters. Length of QR, that is not given, whereas length of RS is given 5 centimeters. Length of PS is given 5.5. So 4 sides are given, 1 diagonal is given. So All of you have done the figure. Okay? Mark all the sides and diagonal also. Now, how to construct the real figure? First step is draw a line segment PR as diagonal with the length of 7 centimeters. Come on, take up a scale and pencil, draw a line of length 7 centimeters. Let your pencil be sharp. Okay? Okay. I've drawn the line PR. Okay. Second step is Q is 4 centimeters away from P. So with compass, take an arc of length 4 centimeters. With P as center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeters. Come on. All of it ready? Get ready? Yes. Stretch your compass. Take a 4 centimeter arc and draw. Okay. Third step. Q is 6 centimeters away from R. So with R as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters. Right? Very interesting and very easy also. So with R, draw another arc. These two arcs cut at a point called P. And now with S is 5 centimeters away from R. So with R as center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeters. So take a scale, take a compass, take the radius 5 centimeters. So below the line. So below the line, mark an arc of 5 centimeters. Okay? And now step 5. With S is 5.5 centimeters away from P. So with P as center, draw an arc of radius 5.5. So take again the scale and compass, stretch it for 5.5, cut off an arc. These two arcs cut at a point called S. Now with Q and S are points of intersection of the respective arcs, mark Q on the top, above the line, S below the line. Complete the quadrilateral PQRS. So with scale and pencil, join the lines, draw the lines. Okay? And one more diagonal also will get, that is called QS. So draw the line PQ, draw the line QR, draw the line RS, and draw the line PS. Okay? And one more diagonal is there. The name of the diagonal, it is QS. Now PQRS is required quadrilateral. We'll pass on to home assignment. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Here 5 elements are given, or 5 parts are given. In this, which is the diagonal? AC is the diagonal. 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. We have to construct it. Second one, rhombus. What is the property of rhombus? You already studied that. That's why we are not done. You can make out. Here all the sides are equal. One side is given, one diagonal is given. Using that you have to construct. Can you do it? Now let us see what Bhagavan Baba says. Bhagavan Baba Uvacha. Peace and happiness have to be manifested from within. These cannot be acquired from outside. Can you get 1 kg of peace in the market? No. 1 kg or 100 rupees piece? No. Bhagavad Gita says, Niramamo nirahankaraha Sashanti madhigacchati. So that comes from within us only. Vihaya kaman yas sarvan pumam charati nispruha. So Baba says the joy and peace should come from within. How to get it? By meditation, or by control of breath, or by reading good books, hearing good songs, being in a good company, talking about good things. All this will lead us to peace of mind. What is the spelling of peace? P-E-A-C-E. Usually what happens? It will be P-I-E-C, peace, peace, peace. Should not become peace. Should be peace, Shanti. Okay? Now I think all of you come prepared with the home assignments. Thank you.